Unlocking peace and flexibility, home yoga for beginners. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to your new journey towards tranquility and flexibility. Today we will dive into the nourishing world of home yoga designed for beginners. First, let's create a safe and comfortable space for our practice. Ensure you have a flat surface, probably a yoga mat or a soft carpet, and wear loose, comfortable clothing. Silence your phone and clear your mind. Begin by sitting on your mat with your legs crossed. Relax, close your eyes, and take deep, calming breaths. Feel the energy flowing through your body. This is the beginning of your connection with your inner self. Next, we will move into our first yoga pose called the mountain pose. Stand straight, feel your feet firmly planted on the ground, stretch your arms upwards and breathe. Feel the stretch in your body. Now we flow into the downward dog pose. From the mountain pose, bend forward, place your hands on your mat, and step back. Your body should form a simple triangle. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and back. Transition into the child's pose. From downward dog, lower your knees, push your hips back and stretch your arms forward. This pose allows you to rest and reconnect with your breath. Next, we'll explore the cat-cow pose. On all fours, alternately arch your back upwards like a hissing cat and lower it like a grazing cow. This pose helps stretch and strengthen the spine. Let's introduce a slight challenge with the warrior pose. Stand, step one foot back, bend your front knee, and raise your arms. Feel the power and strength in this pose. Now we gracefully slide into the tree pose. Stand straight, lift one foot and rest it on your inner thigh, hands in prayer position. This pose enhances balance and concentration. Finally, we wind down with the corpse pose. Lay flat on your back, arms and legs spread comfortably. Close your eyes and breathe. This pose allows full relaxation and ends our practice. Remember, the goal isn't to achieve the perfect pose, but to connect with your body, stretch, and relax. Continue these poses daily, and with time, you'll notice a change in your flexibility and peace of mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey. You've taken a powerful step towards a healthier you. Keep practicing and remember your journey is unique. Until next time, Namaste.